Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of electric vehicles. With so many options on the market, it can be tough to decide which EV is right for you. That's why we've put together a list of the top 10 electric vehicles, focusing on range, performance, innovative features, price, durability, futuristic capabilities, maintenance, and AI capabilities. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 10, we have the Nissan Leaf. The Leaf has been a staple in the EV market for years. With a range of up to 226 miles, it's perfect for daily commutes and city driving. Its affordable price and low maintenance costs make it a great entry-level EV. It also features ProPilot Assist, Nissan's advanced driver assistance system, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities. At number 9, we have the BMW Y3. This compact EV offers a range of up to 153 miles. But what sets it apart is its unique design and use of sustainable materials. The i3 is constructed with a carbon fiber reinforced plastic body, making it both lightweight and durable. Plus, the i3's small footprint and agile handling make it ideal for urban environments. Coming in at number 8 is the Hyundai Kona Electric. This compact SUV boasts a range of up to 258 miles and offers a comfortable ride with plenty of tech features. The Kona Electric comes with Hyundai's Blue Link connected car service, allowing you to remotely start the car, adjust climate settings, and more. Host. It's also one of the more affordable EVs on the market, making it a great value. Number 7 on our list is the Chevrolet Bolt EV. With a range of 259 miles, the Bolt EV offers impressive range at an affordable price. Its spacious interior and advanced safety features, like lane keep assist and forward collision alert, make it a practical choice for families. Host Chevrolet has also improved the Bolt's battery system, ensuring better durability and performance. At number 6, we have the Ford Mustang Mach-E. This electric SUV combines the iconic Mustang design with cutting-edge electric performance. With a range of up to 300 miles, the Mach-E offers plenty of power and style. Host Ford's Sync 4A system provides seamless connectivity, and the Mach-E's spacious interior and cargo capacity make it a versatile option. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Audi e-tron. This luxury SUV offers a range of 222 miles and a refined driving experience. The e-tron features Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, providing excellent handling and stability. Host the virtual cockpit and MMI touch response system add a futuristic touch to the interior, making every drive a premium experience. Number 4 is the Porsche Taycan. This high-performance electric sports car offers a range of up to 227 miles, but it's the driving dynamics that truly impress. The Taycan's acceleration and handling are unmatched, delivering a thrilling ride. Host inside, you'll find a luxurious cabin with advanced tech features, including a curved digital display and customizable touchscreens. Coming in at number 3, we have the Tesla Model 3. With a range of up to 353 miles, the Model 3 offers outstanding range and performance. Tesla's autopilot system provides advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long drives more relaxing. Host the minimalist interior with its single central touchscreen gives the Model 3 a futuristic feel. At number 2, we have the Lucid Air. This luxury sedan boasts an incredible range of up to 517 miles, setting a new standard for electric vehicles. The Air's sleek design and spacious interior make it a standout in the luxury segment. Host Lucid's Dream Drive system offers advanced driver assistance features, and the car's fast-charging capabilities mean less time plugged in and more time on the road. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tesla Model S. With a range of up to 405 miles, the Model S combines long range with blistering performance. The Plaid version can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the market. Host the Model S also features Tesla's full self-driving package, offering some of the most advanced autonomous driving capabilities available today. Its sleek design, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology make the Model S the ultimate electric vehicle.